I didn't want to run, but they're running. Lead the way, Clifford. Let's see who makes it. Okay. Go guys, let's go. Yes. Louisa, come on. Rosie, come on guys, let's go. Let's go. Good girl, Gracie. Lisa, good girl. Levi. Let's get to the water. Guitar. Guitar. Bowie. Bowie. Bowie! Bowie! Jack, come! Let's go! Guys, come on! Come on, guys! Oh, Clifford found it already. Clifford, you look all soaky. Come on, guys! Let's go! Oh, I hear some. Ooh, they got the mud. Rosie! Rosie, God, Gracie! Guys, come here! Come on, guys! That looks fun. Guys, come! Come, come, come! Ooh, I'm not gonna be able to get past this. What are you doing, Mackie? Oh, look at Bowie. Bowie swimming. Bowie! I didn't know you swam, Bowie. Popper's in. Ooh, Clifford's in. Mackie's in. Mackie's tangled. Rick's in. Oh, Louisa! Good girl! Even Louisa's in. Oh, Rosie's in. Good girl, Rosie. Mac, Clifford, forward. Guys! Guys! Go get it! Wilson, you look like a white alligator. Wilson. Oh my God, Katara. Good girl, Katara. Good girl. Katara. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, guys, this way. Let's go. Oh, such a jungle. Oh, it's nice and full. They're splashing around in there. Oh, I stepped in it. Clifford! Let's see if we can get to some open space or get a better view. Mackie's only 5 months old. He's keeping up with the game. Let's pick up a stick and see how we're doing. Gracie, good girl, Gracie. Gracie's going well. Guys! Hey! Go get it! Get it, Clifford! Get it, Clifford! Get it, guys. Good, Clifford. Get it. Popper. Popper wins. Get it, Gracie. Get it. Good, Popper. Good boy, Popper. Oh, Popper. You're supposed to bring it. Ford, bring it. Come on, Ford. Come on. Get it. Good, Clifford. Good. Oh, Clifford. You almost brought it. Wilson's climbing. So is Zoe. What the? Levi! Levi, what the heck? You don't go in water, Levi. Oh my god, Levi. Levi! What are you thinking? I guess it looked like they were having too much fun. Levi! 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 Levi, come here, Levi. What are you doing? Oh, he's not good. Levi. Oh, Levi. Levi, come here. Woo, it's cold. Oh, come on, Levi, get out of there. Rosie, Mackie, guys, oh, this is a funny part. Look at this changes right there. Mackie, Louisa, get it, Rosie, get it, Rosie. Get it. It's on! It's a girl. Oh my god, too much water. Gracie's. Get it, Gracie. Get that log, Gracie. Get that log. Get it, Gracie. Get in there, Greta. Oh, Louis still drying off now. Guys, this is a gorgeous lake. It's a perfect day. Overcast. Cool. After a string of hot days, this is perfect. Levi, was that a mistake or did you want to go in? You silly dog. Too much fun. Please! Zoe, please! Okay. They're climbing the mountain. Okay, we got 15 today. 15 happy dogs. Hey, Clifford. Lucky egg, Clifford. Like that. Why don't you? I feel like jumping in myself. This is nice. My feet are already wet. That's the worst part. Oh, Wilson's gonna go in. Let's see if they'll bend something again. Hey, guys! Guys! Go get it! Get it, Clifford! Get it, Clifford! Get it, Mackie! Get it, Mackie! Get it! Popper, get it! Go, 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 Popper! Go, 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 Popper! Go, Popper! Ah, Clifford! Clifford! Go get it, Clifford! Go get it, Clifford! Clifford, get it, boy! He doesn't know where it is, but he's having fun swimming. Look at Mackie. Mackie, your beautiful white coat is nice. It's okay. Get him! Louisa, Bowie! What are you? What? Louie, did you go into? Silly Louie. Louie, you going on purpose or did you fall in? Oh, Blaze attacked from behind. Get him, Louie. Get him, Louie. Get Blaze. Louie wants to be picked up. He usually does. Blaze, get him. Blaze. Good job, Mackie. likes the little ones. Hey, Zoe. Good, Gracie. Gracie, what are you saying, Gracie? Get him, Gracie. Get him, Gracie. Get those puppies, Gracie. Tell him, Gracie. Tell him, Gracie. Good girl, Gracie. Mackie. Oh, Mackie doesn't know that. Rick. Mackie's about 5 months. He doesn't. Oh, hold on, Mackie. Hold on, Mackie. Relax. He doesn't know he's scaring the little one. He thinks he's playing. Gracie, who are you talking to now? Who are you talking to, Gracie? Gracie, who are you talking to? Oh, Ripper jumps back in. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh my God, they're in heaven. The tall grass, they love the tall grass. Maybe we should just stay here tonight. Explain it to their owners tomorrow. Shoot, should I go through that? That's pretty muddy. I won't this time. Come on, guys, let's go. Wilson, guys, this way. We're not done playing, guys. Oh, it's pretty muddy. It's like the lake must have been up to here pretty recently. Hey, Mackie, hey, Wilson, come on, Wilson, let's go. Good, Gracie. Good, Rosie. Oh, okay. Not too bad. Not too muddy. It is pretty bad. But it's worth it. I don't know who to focus on. We're having so much fun. Ah. Oh, no. Come on, guys. Let's see. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Alright, we're good. Oh, my shoes are getting stuck. Bowie, where are you going? Bowie! These guys are. They've been going like this for almost 2 hours already. We just got down to the lake, but it was like this the whole trail. Oh my God, my shoes are all the way in the mud. This stream over here feeds the lake. This whole bed of flowers wasn't here last week, actually. That's part of the fest. Let's see. Louie's having fun. There he goes. Get muddy, Louie. They're all doing it. Louie just loves it. Good bird. Grace's over there. Good bird. Gracie, go get it. Gracie, go get it. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, who's having the most fun? Wilson? Oh, Gracie got it after all. She cheated. She made them swim for it and grabbed it. Good girl, Gracie. Cheating, but smart. So close to LA and nobody's enjoying it. Gracie still has it. Go, Ricky. Rick's one of mine. Rick. He never gets tired of this. Mackie! Hello, Mackie! Get in there, Mackie! Get in there, Mackie! Your brother's doing it. Get in there, Mackie! Get in there, Mackie! Get in there, Mackie! Oh! Yeah, Louisa. Louisa, tell us. Tell us, Louisa. Tell us, Louisa. Louisa, tell us, girl. Oh, good girl, Louisa. Louisa, the vocal one. Louisa, I wish I knew what she was saying. Ooh, cheap shot, Rick. Go, Louisa. Go, Louisa. Louisa got a spurt. Oh no, Rick, Jesus. Rick, she's not that strong, Rick. Good girl, Louisa. She liked it though. Louisa, good girl. Ooh. Oh no, they jumped on me with the wet muddy paws. Oh shoot. Clifford, that wasn't nice. Katara, good girl. Katara's first day was a week ago on this exact same trail, and she was terrified, and she had to tie her to Rick just to keep her with us. She wanted to run back to San Francisco now she's just I don't know, I think she's gonna run away from my sister when she sees her come back for her. Sorry, Kathy. Get in there, Mackie. All the brothers. Get in there, guys. Oh, there you go. Good, Mackie. Are you cold now? I know you're cold now, buddy. There goes Bowie. I don't know where she was. Probably hunting or fishing. Louie. He usually sneaks right by me, but he's having fun. Ooh. I hope you found another little one. Good, we'll see. Okay, shoot. Hate to turn it off, but I got it.